Hey guys, I'm Leslie. We're the Doucettes, and thank you for coming back to our channel. We haven't made a video in a while, so we're getting right into it now to tell you a little bit about what's going on. You know, I haven't been doing much on eBay recently. I've been really slowed down on posting on eBay, but what's funny is I've still been selling. And so I really thought I'm going to really hit it and really get into eBay, do a much better job than I've been doing this past 2 years. And so we thought, you know, it's January 2022, let's do this. And so I came up here today because I needed to package up 2 of my sales. One was from eBay and one was from Poshmark. And so I got those all packaged up. They're ready to go to the post office. And we're going to go and do some thrifting today. And so you can come along with us if you'd like. Hey guys, we're at our first thrift store for the day. It might be the only one because it looks like it's about to start raining, but I'm realizing there's not even a sign for this place. But anyways, we're gonna go on inside and see what we can find for the day, and I'll see if there's anything good. I'll show you. Hey guys, so it's the next day. We're back at our eBay room back at home, and I wanted to show you a few of the things that I found yesterday. So first of all, I wanted to show you this shirt here. Like, it's Rip and Dip is the brand, and it just stood out to me because it's that. And I thought, what is this? And so it's actually, I did some comps looking on eBay while I was there, and they're selling for about $25. I mean, I'm paying like $3 for this, so I thought it might be worth the investment, and so I bought it. This strange men's cat shirt. But all the ones that are Rip and Dip are like cat shirts. All men's shirts. Very, very interesting. So this next shirt I got here stood out to me because, I mean, it's just so 80s. And I thought that's kind of a cool thing that 80s are kind of coming back. Who knows? And so the brand is massive, and it's actually going for, so I paid $3 for it, and it's going about $25 too. So who knows? I thought it might be a good investment to make too. And then the last one is this LSU. The brand is Rain Spooner Hawaiian shirts. And so this is a LSU shirt. It has all kind of the sports on there, basketball, football, baseball. These, like I said, I'm paying like $3 for this. This sold for $60 last week, this shirt on eBay. And so I thought, if I get anywhere from $30 to $60, I'd be pretty happy about it. So that's my 3 men's shirts that I found. And then I found a couple of pairs of women's shoes. And one pair was a Cole Haan Nike Air shoes, and so I think I pay $2.50 for those shoes, and I could probably get $25 for that. So I found I keep my purchases to just a few purchases. That way I'm not overwhelmed by the number of things that I bought and have to take pictures of and post. So I think I bought about 6 or 7 things yesterday, and so I was really happy with that thrift store. It actually had some good finds, and so today, if we go to a thrift store, we'll see what we find today, and I'll let you know. So we're hungry for lunch first, and we decided to eat healthy today, and we came to this salad place called Salada. I don't know if y'all have one where you're at, but we're going to get us a salad. Alright, so we finished lunch now, and we decided to come to Goodwill. I'd say that Goodwill isn't always my #1 choice of a thrift store, because sometimes Goodwill just charges outrageous prices for things, and so we don't always come to Goodwill. We try different other kinds of thrift stores, but we're gonna see if we find anything good today. Okay, perfect example of Goodwill charging way too much for an item is for this little tiny wallet purse. There's no brand. This is not a brand, and let's see, $8 for this. So, wasn't planning on getting it, but it ain't happening for sure. Okay, so that was our first thrift store of the day. As you can see, I showed you a couple of little items that was just ridiculously priced for no reason at all. And so I didn't buy anything at Goodwill, but Jody did get that Coca-Cola golf bag. And so hopefully, what did it say what was the comps on it? What was it selling for?
Well, I bought it for $17, but the comps on it, had 3 of them sold. The highest was $175, and the lowest was right at $100. So yeah, you definitely, man, something like that with shipping.
And it was like not damaged at all. It looked like it was in perfect condition.
It's in perfect condition. So I know I can at least profit $50 on it.
But we're gonna have to make a box if we sell it.
Yeah, that's true.
But that's okay. So we're at our next thrift store that we're here for today, and this one was closed for a long time after Hurricane Laura, and so it's finally open. I think it's been open for a little while, but we haven't been here yet. So if we're doing so good today, let's see what we can find. Okay, so there wasn't very much in that store at all. A lot of the things were just like shelves were bare, and there wasn't very much in there at all. So that was a no-go for today. But we have some other stuff to do for the donut shop, to get a few supplies and things like that. So that's what we're on our way to do now. Okay guys, we're back home. We're finished with our day of thrifting. I've got to start taking pictures of the items I got yesterday, get these things posted onto eBay. So that's what I'm going to start on now, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye.